Welcome to our channel. Today we how to customize TikTok privacy settings, account protection overview step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select these lines to access the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy from the options presented. Scroll down to find the Privacy section. Begin by adjusting your account's visibility. Select Private Account to limit your videos to approved followers only. Next, navigate to Who can view my videos. Choose between everyone or friends, depending on your preference. Return to the privacy settings to manage who can comment on your videos. Select Who can comment on my videos to set it to everyone, friends, or off. Now, proceed to Who can send me messages. You can also set this option to friends or off. Scroll down to Who can duet with me and select your desired privacy level. Adjust the Who can stitch with me setting as well. Now, locate the discoverability section. Turn off Let others find me if you prefer more privacy. Next, check the activity status setting. You can choose to turn this off to prevent others from seeing when you are active. For added protection, enable the screen time management feature. This helps limit your time spent on TikTok, promoting healthier usage. Lastly, review your block list and adjust as necessary. Make sure to save any changes you've made. Familiarize yourself with each setting to enhance your account protection. Regularly revisit your privacy settings to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.